Hey Rob, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I know that you had talked to Trey the other day and gave us the okay to go ahead and send you over just this really quick screencast. What I'll be doing is I'll just be going over 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business, and as a result of that, get more clients in your door. And again, these are changes that you can make on your own too. So I'll go ahead and jump right into it. I have your website pulled up here. And overall, I think it's a great layout. I love that you have photos kind of showing before and after. I think that's really important in this line of work. Have some more photos down here as well. I think if there's one room for opportunity, it would just be in the amount of content that you have. Content is one thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and then around 700 to 1,000 words on your service pages. So that's definitely an opportunity. I have your top competitor pulled up here. This is Peter's Pressure Washing. They're number 1 in Google. Whenever you type in pressure washing in Tampa, they show up as number 1. So as I'm going through their website, I'm showing they really don't have a lot of content either. So this is definitely an area where I don't think you'd have an issue kind of beating them. And then your second top competitor, I believe they're number 3. Looks like they have a large photo as well here. But again, they really don't have a lot of content. So definitely is an opportunity for you there. The next thing I want to go over kind of involves the back end of your website. We use this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. It's an amazing tool. It shows you the ins and out of a website, where it's been in the past, where it's at now, and it's just a fantastic resource that we use. So I have yours pulled up here. One thing I want to go through is keywords. So it looks like you're ranked for about 50 keywords. And what a keyword is pretty much a highly searched word. For instance, let me see. When somebody searches paver ceiling in Tampa, Florida, you're ranked 47 in that position. Looks like this is searched about 10 times a month. Pressure washing in Newport Richey, you're in the 33rd position. Looks like this is searched 80 times per month. So this is potentially 80 clients that you could be missing out on only because you're not in that top position. So you don't show up on the front page of Google whenever somebody Googles this keyword. So plenty of opportunity. I could honestly make a whole video on keywords. They're so important and really can help you scale and reach more clients. So I have your top competitor here as well. Looks like they have 2.1 keywords. They're ranked number 1 whenever someone Googles pressure washing in Tampa. So they're the number 1 website that these people see. Pressure washing in Tampa is a volume of 150. So again, a lot of clients that you're missing out on. So we'd want to get you in that top position there. And then your second top competitor, First Response, they're ranked number 3 in pressure washing in Tampa, Florida. So obviously not the first position, but they still show up on the front page. So when someone Googles that, they do see their website. So that's just an area I wanted to go through with you to kind of help you see the amount of traffic that you could be getting to your website. Another thing I would like to look at is what's called backlinks. This is also something that contributes to ranking your website and getting you to that top position. So what a backlink is it's pretty much when another website references your site. Backlinks are very important, and it's just as important to get good quality backlinks. All backlinks are different. There's no one that's the same. They're all made differently. So it's very important to get good quality links, because it's very easy to get really spammy links referring back to your website, and that can bring your ranking down. So I'm showing that you have 74 backlinks, And this DR right here tells me if your backlinks, are spammy or if they're pretty solid links. You have a pretty low DR, which stands for trust, which tells me you could potentially have some spammy links here. And then I have your second top competitor. They have 987 backlinks and they have a really high DR, which tells me they have pretty solid links, but there still is some room for improvement there. And then your second top competitor, 156 backlinks, so they have quite a bit of links, but it looks like a lot of those links are very spammy, so that could potentially hurt them. And then the third thing I wanted to go over with you is what's called a citation. So what citations are is pretty much your business name, address, and phone number all over the internet in different directories or in different social medias. So obviously the more citations the better. And this is something that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website and your business as well. The main thing that this affects though is what's called the Google Map Pack. So I'll show you what that is. Pressure washing Tampa. So the main thing that influences is this right here, where you see the 3 top companies here. The more citations that you have gets you in this Google Map Pack here. So it looks like you have 22 citations. Your top competitor has 59. And your second top competitor has 29. So there's also some opportunity for growth for you there as well. So those are really just the 3 areas that I wanted to go over with you. I would love to touch base with you if you have some time, and if not, that's okay as well. Just wanted to send you this video. Sorry. And give you some helpful information on how you can make some practical changes to rank your business. So that is everything I have. I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a good one.